Hello everybody, so I've just come into Poundland. Do you know what? They've got all their Valentine's Day stuff out, so I thought nip up the camera, show you what they've got, and we can get a little bit of crafting inspo. They've got some cute things in actually, so let's just go through it. So first of all, we've got gift bags up here, tissue paper, we've got some little keychains which obviously can also be used as bag charms. Jewelry sets, the apology pad. Some people might need it. A little trophy there. What does it say? Lover of the year. Okay. Date fund. What's this? Write your own love notes. Reasons why I love you. So a little jar. That could be a fun little crafting idea there for you, couldn't it? We've got the usual Valentine's engagement rings from Poundland. There they are, always a bit of fun for people, aren't they? Ring for a kiss or ring for a pint. Love tokens for someone, all different things. This token is for breakfast in bed. Whilst they've got more breakfast in beds. This token is for a massage of choice. Okay. We have some Valentine's Day toilet roll. That's definitely a bit different. What a lovely bottom. I love you from the bottom of my heart, and you are tip top. That's different. Some gift boxes. I actually have quite a lot of these gift boxes from, I think, the Valentine's Day range in like 2019. I just keep them on my desk and keep loads of trinkets in them, so they actually come in really handy. Oh, I thought these were going to be plastic, but they're actually cardboard. You could use these to make a little kind of Valentine's Day gift box or something, couldn't you? They're actually split £1, so you can buy the little hamper stuff there. Oh look, they actually have it in the image there. So it's going to cost you £2 for the complete set of the cellophane, the bow, and the bottom part of the hamper. And then if you want obviously shred as well, that's another £1. So you're talking like £3 for the whole sort of hamper base, which I suppose isn't too bad, but it's not exactly great, is it? Right, I'll come down this side because the middle of the Valentine's Day has got a bit busy now. So we've got this little monster plush, Lola monster in pink and red. Quite cute actually. I think that is adorable. We got a little teddy bear. Again, I think you can find something similar in the charity shop, but they're £2 a piece if you are a brand new liking person. Got some Valentine's Day mugs. These are all £2. Bad girl, a bad boy. Absolute legend, best human. And then they got these heart ones. These kind of are similar to the heart ones that were in Next the other day. They were £28 for a set of 4. These aren't striped, they're kind of like a little bit of a blended red, but still £2, especially if you're only after one. That's quite a good price really, isn't it? Heart-shaped money box. These are £2. They used to be £1 in here. Cutie slogan candle. What's that one? Hottie. Oh, a hottie and a cutie. Bloomin' amazing, looking sharp. It is just plastic. I think you could probably be better off getting a real cactus, I'm not gonna lie, but you know, they're there. £2 is never gonna die. Heart string lights. What do they look like? 8 lights. Oh, there they are, look in there. £2. They don't look that great, to be honest. I think you're better off with just normal fairy lights. What's this? A heart-shaped plate. £2 for that. I think that's quite good. Could definitely put some little snacks on that. You know me, I am a snack girly. Heart little bowls, so a little dip or something in there. Imagine if you had like Kinder Bueno dip or Nutella and then dip some strawberries in there. That would be nice, wouldn't it? This heart-shaped glass vase, £2 for that. That's a good price. Very similar to ones I've seen in TK Maxx, which are about £10. That's £2. See, that's a good buy. And it's glass, not even plastic. Hello Poundland, this is why we love you. Sometimes they have a little piece. Sure, you have to go through all the hotties and the bad boys, but you do get good pieces like that, and that could be styled up in a really, really nice way. Again, another thing that's a very good. Look at these, £1 for a glass tapered holder. I think that's really good, like a dinner candle holder for £1. Gorgeous. Again, glass, not plastic. We love to see it. Those are really lovely. We have got the dinner candles that would fit in there with hearts on. What are they? 2-pack for £1. They're definitely already flaking off, but they'll do the job, especially if you're like me and you don't actually light your candles. That would be good, you know. Paper napkins and some little cups. These do feel a bit flimsy, I'm not gonna lie, they don't feel great, but for £1 it's okay. I wouldn't recommend buying anything kind of like that. It's good for kids, I suppose, but you're not going to get much use out of that. After a little while, the novelty's going to wear off, isn't it? Heartstring lights. These look quite cute. £1. So you've got pink ones, red ones, and white ones, and they're warm whites on those. I can't stand a cool white light. I'm not gonna lie, it's just not for me. Heart confetti. I could have done with that at my wedding actually. £1 for that, just a little paper confetti. You can make your own with tissue paper, but to be honest, the amount of time you'll save, you may as well buy it for £1 if you're just doing that. And some heart bunting. Got heart foil curtains for £1. That's a steal. All right, that's all they've got in this aisle. I'll have a look around the store to see if they've got anything else, but very pleased with the vases and the little candle holders there as well. That was it for the Valentine's Day, but they do have Easter little pops. I'm not going to be into Easter just this early. I mean, it's early enough for Valentine's Day, isn't it? But look at these little cuties. Little cutie chicks. We've got a repeat on the eggs from previous years and everything. Lots of eggs in, and they do have a clearance Christmassy bit. Am I going to be rubbling through that? No. But yeah, look, mini eggs. Mini eggs are back. I love a mini egg. Just walking around now, spotted this glass jug. £3 for that. That's a great price, isn't it? Is it glass? I think it's glass. Yes, definitely glass. I just clanked it on there. Very nice. £3. I feel like you're finding again cheaper than in the charity shop. A nice pink oven glove. If you're after that, here's some of their mugs. These are a little bit Valentine's days, I suppose, with the little hearts on there. Not too in your face. A nice little kind of alternative to the other one. I quite like this one. Very pretty. £2 a piece on those. Some little bits in the sale there. Let's go down to this aisle. What's up this one? Oh, well, they got some Valentine's Day gift bags over here as well. You've got love and pink one with the hearts on. I think that was over the other size anyway, but bottle bags at £1.25. I think it's cheaper on home bargains, but cute. You know, they're in here. What a vibe. Temporary tattoos, Hello Kitty and Friends. I would have loved that. £1. You've got Karopi on there, Bats Maru. You've got the, what are they called? Little twin stars, Pom Pom Purin, My Melody. That's a good little packet for £1. And Doritos. Look at that, Doritos notebook, Doritos pens. I'm definitely more the Pepsi girl, especially if it's a Pepsi Max. I don't look like a Pepsi Max, but it's very cute. Haribo, Frosties, and Walkers. I would miss them just looking at Doritos and Pepsi, but look, that's pretty cool. I like the little stationery sets. I would have liked that. I still do like that, really. Could have done with that doing my taxes the other day. Just having a beat round in the clothing now. They've got some clothing sale going on. Look at this, a leopard print denim jacket. I don't know why, but I didn't expect to find this in Poundland. It's £9. Okay. But yeah, I never come into the clothing bit around here. Lots of little kiddies bits. Look, great if you're on a budget. They are £2 for leggings, and if you're not, you know, into secondhand clothing, that's absolutely fine. It is what it is. Some people are, some people aren't, are they? And everyone's business is their own, so some bargains to be had. £10 for a PJ set. That's pretty good, isn't it? Short sleeve top, long sleeve bottoms with the hearts on. Valentine's Day. It's adorable. It's that behind there. Oh, Minnie Mouse with bow bottoms on there. Got a bit of thumper on there, look. And how much are they? £9 for a t-shirt and short sets. You've got Barbie there, very cute. And just a pair of bottoms, look, £5, cheap and cheerful. You're not even going to get that cheap in Primark these days, are you? They're like a cream with a red heart on, and they've also got pink with stars on. These little leggings are so cute. These little sets, look at those. Little buttons on there, £4 for a 2-pack. This is sweet here, like one of those little bodysuits for babies. It's got a little bunny rabbit on. £10 for that one. And I'm not sure if these are old Valentine's Day range or something, but they're all very good price. Like, they're all in the sale, so maybe they're from last year, but they do have little packs of tops here. What do they say? I love my mummy and daddy, and that was just a plain one. £2 for a set of two. You just, yeah, cheap and cheerful. If you're going through clothes like no one's business, then Poundland might be worth a shout. I don't know why I didn't think of it before. Look how much stuff they have. The clothing department here is actually pretty good and pretty big. I just never come in here. Got pajamas up there, let's go see those. For anyone who's looking for anything. So we've got Hot Wheels, NASA, Avengers, for anyone who has a boy or a girl who may like them. Got dinosaur pajamas, my niece would love those, she's a dinosaur girly. £4, bargain. Little fairy set up there, that's so sweet, isn't it? How much are they? Are they £4 as well? Yeah, £4. What a barg. A little heart, little dressing gown there. Very sweet. All the stuff going on. Anyway, that's kind of all they've got really, apart from all the food and everything, and everything else is kind of stuff that you'd usually find in Poundland. So hopefully you enjoyed just having a little look around with me quickly whilst I was in here, looking at the Valentine's Day stuff. Those vases and the candlestick holders are definitely a 10, and I would recommend checking them out if you're looking to implement a few little bits into your decor. But that being said, hopefully you enjoyed having a little look around, and I shall see you very soon for another video. Bye.